When you search for heat press machines, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what's just a pretty design, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. YRYM HTPTFE Heat Teflon Sheets. Let's kick things off with the YRYM HTPTFE Teflon Sheets. Priced at just $7.69, this 3-pack caught my eye because of its great reviews, boasting a solid 4.7 stars from 60,000 users. If you want to protect your workspace while crafting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These PTFE sheets are waterproof and washable, making them perfect for messy materials like glue or wax. They can withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees, so whether you're working on vinyl crafts or heat transfers, you can trust they won't stick to your project. Plus, the fact that they're reusable means you're not just saving money, but also reducing waste. A big win in my book. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit limiting for larger projects. Here's the thing though, for most home crafting needs, the 16 by 20 inches is more than enough, and the ability to cut the sheets to any size is a huge convenience. This is perfect for you if you're a casual crafter looking for budget-friendly options. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for industrial use, but for the price, it really delivers. Now, if the price of the sheets was a concern for you, the next one might just blow your mind with its features. Product number 2. Tshirt Auto Heat Press Machine. Next up is the Tshirt Auto Heat Press Machine, priced at $199.99. This machine's intuitive design and functionality really got my attention. And with a rating of 4.6 stars from 6,500 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among crafters. If you want a hassle-free pressing experience, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This heat press can reach a temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, thanks to its NTC thermistor technology. That means no more waiting around forever for it to heat up. It also features a hands-free auto press and release, which means you can set it and forget it, freeing you up to work on other tasks. A huge relief if you're juggling multiple projects. Some users mentioned that it could be a bit bulky for smaller workspaces. But I'll be real with you. The extra space is worth it if you're serious about your crafting. You won't be disappointed with the performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking to step up your heat transfer game and maybe even sell your crafts. Skip this one if you're limited on space or just dabbling in crafts. But for its price point, it's a fantastic investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those looking for advanced features. Product number 3. Tshirt Auto Heat Press 2. Now let's talk about the Tshirt Auto Heat Press 2, priced at $349.99. With a similar 4.6 star rating, but more advanced features. This machine is designed for serious crafters. If you need customization and efficiency, this is worth considering. This model allows you to adjust the pressure up to 80 kilograms, which is perfect for thicker materials like hoodies. It heats evenly and quickly, reaching 410 degrees Fahrenheit in just over 5 minutes. That consistency means you can produce high-quality designs without worrying about uneven transfers, something every crafter dreams of. But some users found the price a bit steep compared to simpler models. Here's the thing though. If you plan to do more than just occasional crafting, this investment will pay off in time saved and quality produced. This is perfect for you if you're looking to run a small business or tackle larger projects. Skip this one if you only need a heat press for simple designs, as it might be more than you need. But for dedicated crafters, the value is evident. Now, if that price point was a hurdle, the next product is a great balance between quality and cost. Product number 4. Royal Press 15-inch by 15-inch Heat Press. Next, we have the Royal Press 15-inch by 15-inch Heat Press, retailing at $179.99. With a 4.5 star rating from over 2,200 reviews, this machine combines quality with affordability. If you're looking for an industrial quality press without breaking the bank, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The aluminum heating plate heats evenly and maintains a temperature range of 0 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide variety of projects. Plus, It features a digital controller that not only tracks time, but also helps you manage production counts. This is especially useful if you're producing items in bulk. However, a few users reported issues with the temperature accuracy. Honestly, this can be a concern, but most found that a little adjustment during the first few uses did the trick, so it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're doing heat transfers regularly and want something reliable. Skip this one if you need a highly specialized machine for unique materials, but it's a solid choice for general crafting. Now, if this one seemed like a great fit, the last product offers an even more user-friendly option. Product number 5, Tshirt Adjustable Pressure Heat Press. Finally, let's look at the Tshirt Adjustable Pressure Heat Press, priced at $349.99. With a solid 4.6 star rating, this machine's adjustable pressure feature is a game changer. If you want flexibility in your projects, this is worth checking out. What's really impressive is the height adjustment. It allows for thicker materials up to 1.77 inches. This means you can easily switch from shirts to heavier fabrics without any hassle. Plus, the auto shut-off feature gives you peace of mind when you're working on multiple tasks. Some users did mention the weight, as it can be cumbersome to move around. But honestly, if you have a designated crafting space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's built to last and does a fantastic job. This is perfect for you if you're tackling diverse projects and need that flexibility. Skip this one if you're only doing basic transfers, as it might be overkill for those simple jobs. But if you want quality and versatility, this is a great buy. So there you have it. We reviewed the YRYM HT PTFE sheets for basic needs, the Tshirt Auto Heat Press for convenience, the Auto Heat Press 2 for more serious crafters, the Royal Press for affordability, and the Tshirt Adjustable Pressure Heat Press for versatility. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best suits your crafting journey.